Making your mark with Bookmark? Let's learn the basics of how to set up your website's e-commerce shop. Let's say you are using Ada, our artificial intelligence design assistant, to create a site for your lighting business. First, you would click Ada's Start Now button, then enter Lighting Store as your business type. Type the name of your business, and check the Yes box to sell product on your site. From here, you would enter your business's information before having Ada create your website for you in a matter of minutes. To save some time, let's go right to the site. Looks good, right? Ada will automatically place a store called a product gallery in your site. To see where it is located and make changes to its location, simply click Focus in the left menu bar. You will now be able to see where the product gallery focus has been placed. From here, you can reorder it just like any other focus by simply dragging and dropping it anywhere. For more information on focuses, you can reference our dedicated how-to videos for both single and multiple page sites. Okay, now that you are happy with where your store is placed, simply click back to the main menu. Before we dive into building your store, it is important for you to know that we have an extensive online store help guide section where you will find organized and very detailed information. From the main page, simply click the Help section in the left menu bar, or the blue Help Guides button near the top. Then click Browse Help Topics and find Online Store e-commerce in the index. Clicking Online Store will take you right to that section of the list where you will see individual categorized guides for easy reference. Okay, now let's get your shop set up. Go back to the main page, then click Settings and E-commerce. If you have not upgraded to a business plan, you will see an automatic message appear reminding you that you can set up a store in a basic or pro account. However, checkout will be disabled. For as little as $24.99 a month, you can have a fully operating online store, along with all the other benefits that a Bookmark business account offers. We highly recommend you check this out. You will then be taken to your e-commerce control panel. From here, you can manage your sales, catalog, promotions, settings, and apps. We'll start with the catalog section where you can add, edit, and categorize your products. As you can see, you already have some products added into your shop. Simply checking the box beside an existing product will allow you to modify or delete it with a simple click. For now, let's add a new product to see how the whole process works. Start by clicking the Add New Product button. From here, you can add an image in a few simple clicks directly from your desktop. Then enter the name, SKU number, and weight. You will see a checkbox directly under weight indicating that the product requires shipping or pickup. This box will always be checked for physical goods. It will be unchecked for businesses selling services or software. Directly under this area, you will see a spot to add a product description. You will need to prioritize both product titles and descriptions, since they appear in search engine results snippets and will be the first thing your visitors see on your site. It is worth making them clear and informative. Your description can be as basic or as in-depth as you like. As you can see, there are a lot of formatting and editing options available. Add options to insert images, videos, links, and tables. When inserting an image, you can simply upload them right from your desktop. And when inserting a video, you first need to upload it to YouTube or Vimeo, then simply paste the link. Easy, right? Now that we have gotten this far, let's click Save so we do not chance losing any work. We suggest clicking Save regularly. Okay, let's move on to the price. Simply type in your product's price as shown. It is important to note that the default currency is US dollars. However, your online store supports all official currencies. To change the currency, go to Settings, General, then Formats and Units. Find your currency in the drop-down menu and select the necessary currency sign. If the selected currency has an official prefix, it will be updated automatically. While we are here, it is also worth mentioning that you can change your price display format to include or exclude decimals. There is also a field used to convert order totals to US dollars if the payment gateway or shipping carrier only accepts that currency. For example, if you use PayPal Standard and it doesn't accept payments in your currency, your online store will convert the order total into US dollars and send the request to PayPal. And even if you use payment gateways that accept your currency, there is still the point with shipping companies. If you sell your goods internationally, one day you may need the services of a shipping carrier that does not accept your currency, but works with US dollars. In such cases, you will need to enter a conversion rate. Okay, now let's go back to your product catalog and continue learning about price features. Clicking the arrow to the right of the price will allow you to set a sale price. As you know, customers love discounts and deals. Putting a product on sale or showing that this price is less than a customer will find elsewhere is a great way to get more orders. The price that you have as the main price will be your sale price. In this case, we have $200. The Compare To price is the original price of the item or price that your customer would find elsewhere. For this example, we are going to type $250. Below this, you will also see a bulk discount pricing option. This makes it possible to offer tiered pricing for each product based on quantity tiers. For example, one light fixture costs $200, but if you buy 3, the price will be dropped to $175 each. It's a helpful tool for merchants who have a lot of products in stock and want to attract customers to buy more items. Discount prices are shown in your storefront's product details, and discounts are applied immediately as soon as the quantity added to the cart changes. This feature also has a unique feature. There is an algorithm that suggests users to add more items to their cart to get higher discounts. Cool, right? So, for this example, we will enter the quantity as 3, and the price as $175. If you would like to add more tiers, then you simply click Add Row and continue to set parameters around bulk pricing for your items. And last but not least, in the General section of adding a product, you will see Availability and Stock Control. Enabling or disabling availability simply means that you have or do not have the product in stock. So when you disable availability, the product will be hidden from your online shop until you go back and make it available again when you are back in stock. Makes sense, right? Now, by clicking the Manage button under Stock Control, you can specify the number of items you have when quantities are limited or a product is not continuous. If you remember from our product description, we indicated that this pendant light was a collector's piece with limited quantity. So we are going to enter 50 into the number of items we have in stock. You can also have your shop send you an email when stock is running low, so you know how to watch and disable availability or when to reorder items if that is applicable. Let's ask for a note when you are down to your last 5 pendants. Alright, that is the basics of adding a product. However, the job is not fully complete. You can see there are other tabs in the product editing window. You enter your product's brand and UPC information in the Attributes section. And the Options tab is where you can set up purchase options for your product. For example, if this pendant lamp came in colors other than black, you could add them here by clicking New Option, entering color, and choosing your input type. From here, you check the box indicating that this requires customer selection, then click New Selection to enter your color choices. The price modifier to the right of your color input allows you to change the price. You can make selections more or less expensive with the plus and minus option, and then manually enter the varying amount. In this example, your color choices will all be the same price. Okay, let's save and move on. The Gallery and Files tabs allow you to upload images and documents related to your product. These ones are pretty self-explanatory. Now, the next tab, Taxes and Shipping, is important. This is where you enable shipping, enter dimensions, and choose your shipping rates. From here, you will need to complete your shipping settings as well as set up taxes. There are help guide sections for shipping and taxes that we suggest you read through and reference. Don't worry, it is not super difficult, just a bit time-consuming. Next is the SEO tab. Search engines send traffic to your store, and it's important to get your products listed higher on search engine results pages. Part of optimizing your site and store for search engines is creating separate titles and descriptions for your products, which can all be done in this tab. For more information, we suggest you check out the SEO help guide. The next tab is Related Products, which is just that. If you have products related to this lamp, then you can assign them here. An example of this would be a table lamp that was part of the same collection, or a special bulb needed for this lamp that you sell on your site. And last but not least is the Embed Product tab. This is where you can insert this product on any page of your site. Okay, now let's go back to the General tab, save everything, and preview our product. Voila! Our product is ready! Phew, there is a lot that goes into setting up your products, but spending the time to do things properly is well worth it when your sales start rolling in. One thing that can save you some time is using the Import Products feature if you have many items. This allows you to upload or update products at once with a CSV format file. There is a detailed help guide that can walk you through this process. Also in the Catalog section, you will see Category and Product Type tabs. Categories allow you to organize your products into groups when you have too many products to be listed on one page. In this example, you could categorize your products into floor lamps, table lamps, and pendants. Your products automatically are built into a root category called Storefront Page. Product types are groups of products that share the same attributes. Product types for our lighting shop could be fixtures that are from the same designer or collection. If you sell products that could be grouped in one or more types, the Product Types feature may be very useful for you. Using these features is a snap, and help is at your fingertips in our Help Guide section if needed. Okay, wow, we just covered a lot of information on getting your products set up and cataloged in your store. This is the most important section to focus on when it comes to building your store in the beginning. Though you will also see sections for sales and promotions in your dashboard that become increasingly important as your store begins to operate. When you click on the Sales tab for the first time, you will see that there are sample sales loaded into your dashboard for reference. Let's click on Sample 7. You will see that for each sale you can reference payment and fulfillment status, along with shipping, payment, customer details, and order summaries. You will also see a Ship button where you can mark orders as shipped and save tracking information to make this a central spot for each order's important information. Also within the Sales tab, you will see tracking of abandoned sales and an area where customer information is gathered. Further to that, there is a place where you can create customer groups. And last but not least, the Edit Order tab is a spot where you can manually go in and edit existing orders. If you click on the same Sample 7, you will see spots where you can go in and easily change information with a few simple clicks. For more information on the Sales section, we encourage you to check out the corresponding help guides. Next, let's look at the Promotions tab. We all love a good deal, and this is where you can really leverage marketing tactics to drive traffic to your store and boost sales. As you can see, you can build discounts and coupons. And you will also see sections where you can share your store and sell products on Facebook, as well as unlock additional sales channels with the marketplaces, eBay, and mobile tabs. These are important features to build into your store as you gain traction and look for avenues to increase sales and your store's overall reach. As you would expect, there are more excellent guides to walk you through step-by-step instructions in the Promotions section. Okay, almost done. The Settings tab is where you will find all of the back-end references and tools for your online store. This will become self-explanatory as you use your online store and go through its setup and operation, though an important thing to note is the Social Tools tab right at the very end. Following on the footsteps of our previous discussion with promoting your products through other channels, this is where you can show like and share buttons for your products on Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter, Google+, and more. You can also show Facebook comments, allow customers to share purchases, as well as get them to ask friends for advice while shopping. This is a great area to leverage as your store expands. Okay, that covers the basics. If you have made it through this video, congratulations! I know that it has been a lengthy one. There is so much important information to know when you are setting out to build your online store with Bookmark. Now you are well equipped to go and give it a try on your own. Have fun building your e-commerce shop while making your mark with Bookmark.